So I'm changing out the oil seal for the PTO shaft, the original PTO shaft for the A10. So far I got the little clip out. It goes in here. It just sits in a groove in there. And now I'm going to try and remove the shaft from the housing bit. I think I'll just use a rubber mallet to do that. And then I gotta wait for the seal and probably clean it up. As you can see, the shaft is out. Yeah, I can see a bit of damage. Actually, I don't know if it'll pick it up or not, but yeah, right here. I don't know what is going on here. There's a lot of damage there. But other than that, like, normally they wear out up here too. I've seen that happen before, where some dirt gets in there. They will wear out right here too. That one looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna clean all this up. I don't have the part with me, but the actual seal is in here still. That's the seal right there. And there's another one of those clips that you have to get out and then pound that out. And that's the culprit right there. And that will be the original seal. Pretty easy job to do. As you can see on the tractor, completely brand new modern size PTO shaft that I put on here. There we go. See, it has the little groove there for the new hookup system compared to the old ones. But if you look at the old one, it just has the hole for hooking up. It doesn't have the groove. So as you can see, I have actually gone ahead and painted these. I just used this Massey Ferguson red paint just to quickly get it painted up, just so it's not going to rust. I kind of cleaned it up a bit, got all of the old paint off. Yeah, so now the next job is to get the old seal out, which hopefully won't be too hard. Just need to get all of this masking tape off first. So there's actually another one of those clips in here, which I'm going to get out because I'm going to take the seal out that way, just because just in case the threads get damaged. Just want to make sure I don't do that. So I'm gonna have to struggle again and get this little clip out as well. There, I finally got it out. That's the old seal there. Kind of beaten up now. I had to use the end of a mallet, which is now stuck in the thing here. There you go. Because I don't have a socket size big enough for that. So yeah, I had to use that. Now I just need to clean it up, which isn't too bad. And I can put the new seal in. Tell you what though, those little clips to get out, wow, that is hard. Like, I don't have a tool for that, because the tool I have is for the ones clips that have the holes in, and these ones don't have any holes. So I don't know how the best way to get those out or is. So that's why I was using screwdrivers. It's got like a spring or something in there. I don't know what that is. But it's like a material seal. Like a felt or something, or leather, I don't know. But yeah, there's like a weird spring looking thing in there. I don't know what that's all about. But the new one is completely rubber. As you can see, this is the new seal. Okay, so now what I got to do is put that clip back in so I can push up the seal against it. So I'll just clean this up a little bit. Scratched it a little bit, trying to get it out there. That's good enough. So want that to be in there. Some more junk in there. There we go. Clip is in. Hopefully you don't have to take that out again. So this side would be to the oil, right? And this is the seal side. So that would go in this way, I would think. Not much to this seal compared to the old one. Oh, I'll give that a try then. I just want to keep looking at it as I'm pounding it in to make sure the rubber isn't curling up on the inside, because that would be bad. So as you can see there, I actually have painted up this PTO shaft just because there was a bit of rusting going on, so I cleaned it all up and give it a nice coat of paint there. Got it all back together now. And I did end up using a press to press this seal in, just because I couldn't get it even beating it with the hammer. I couldn't get an even placement there with the seal. So yeah, all put back together. And I did kind of damage it, and there you can see it when I take the cover off. So yeah, I think it was a pretty good job. And I did just use this, it's just Massey Ferguson red. It's all they had at the local tractor supply, so it'll do the job. So yeah, now my next job is to swap out the new sized one for that, because I need to paint this one too, but this one is probably going to go into another tractor, so I'm going to put that one on, but I'm going to have to drain the oil out, or else I'm going to have it all coming out the back. So yeah, at least that job is done now, finally.